What's up, guys? Brian, otherwise known as Slow Speeds, here with Mullet Boy.
What's up?
What the hell is that thing back there?
It makes you go fast.
Hey, looking kind of good. Makes us go fast, so therefore we're in the Mustang, not the LS.
Fuck your Mustang.
Hey, it makes a lot of sense right there. We're about to go check out something cool today, so we'll update you guys when we're there. Bye.
The E.
I know, it struggles.
Okay. Alright guys, we're over at Ryan's house checking out his new car. Sold his unpacked S550 to get his Helion twin turbo monster stroke to a 5.2 build motor. Helion twin turbo, built motor, basically everything done in this car you can imagine. Definitely get some video of this thing out racing next year. You just got it last night. How do you like it?
Sounds alright.
Better than pretty much any LS you've seen in your life?
Badass.
twin turbo Helion kit. 550 miles on the setup. Car only has 6,000 miles on it. Just got it last night. Sold his Paxton car. He was in the video with Dodge Demon Racing. His old car went 9.4 at about 109. It went 9.4, 9.5, mid 9s or low 9s at like 150 miles per hour. This thing should definitely be a lot faster. Beautiful car. Skulls are coming off. It's getting tinted soon. A lot of things to look forward to on this car next year. You hear that exhaust chop out of the back? Just kidding. They're up front. What is he doing with that mullet? Those damn LS boys. We left Ryan's house. Right now we just filled up a little bit of gas, keeping it about half a tank for the winter. Stopped and get the LS boy with the mullet some Mountain Dew.
Today was good. We had a good day.
Good day.
This thing's slow as fuck.
Well,
he calls it a race car, but doesn't even have welds on it yet or a tire. But we'll just go with that. He did buy me Mountain Dew though, so that was nice.
yeah.
But other than that, you know, it was a fun day.
Some Reese's.
The rain ruined it.
So is your LS faster than this car?
No.
No.
Well, yes it is.
No.
Yes, it is, because you can't hook. So I'll gap you.
Alright, race me from a 60.
Right now.
Not right now, it's raining.
Exactly, so my car's faster right now.
I'm pretty sure you might not have been hooked from a 60 right now. Alaba.
Alaba.
GTO boss is leaving for the day. Might make all my neighbors mad. But yeah, we had a fun day. Went out to check out Ryan's new Helion twin turbo fully built car. Built 6R80, all of that. Premium car, badass car. I don't know if you guys can see me. The lighting's probably pretty bad. Wanted to drive out there yesterday when he got it delivered from Florida and get video of it coming off the car and everything. But second best thing is going out there and getting some video of it today. I wanted to get it checked out before next race season because he's gonna be taking out there a lot. And I believe I'm gonna be getting a lot of footage of it during that season. Left the door open at home, my bad. But yeah, I wanted to make sure I get it on video, just kind of get an introduction and more so of it. A lot of the video was the exhaust sound and whatnot, which that thing sounds nasty, absolute monster. Big thank you to Dylan for coming out. He owns a GTO LS1 car, headers, everything. It's a pretty cool car. Looks kind of like a catfish though. Kind of hear him in the background going off. I doubt you guys can hear him. Kind of rambling at this point. Just wanted to wrap this video up now that I'm home. Big thank you for Ryan letting me and Dylan come out and check out the new car, or Dylan and I. Come check out the new car. I got to drive my white Mustang that's in the garage right there. Over there one last time, probably before the winter really kicks in. As you can see, it already has snowed a bit this year, which is unfortunate. There wasn't really any salt on the road today, but I'll probably go ahead and clean the car off tomorrow or Wednesday or something and put it up for the year because the weather's not going to get much better. Wednesday is supposed to be 61 degrees. It did rain today on the way back, so we didn't have much fun on the way back, but the way there we did a bunch of pools, and it was raining a bit while we were at Ryan's house. That's why we didn't really get to see maybe the car driving at all or anything. We got a lot of cool future videos planned, so make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you like them or looking forward to them. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying at this point, just rambling, but alaba. Hey, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.